Okay, I'm here with Dave Sobel, and get the pronunciation of the name right, of Level Platforms. So, Dave, tell me about yourself, what you do, what's your role,
Okay.
and over to you.
I'm Dave Sobel, Director of Partner Community for Level Platforms. We're a remote monitoring and management tool, so for small solution providers who are looking to get into managed services, need a tool to help monitor the environment. We have an agentless architecture that allows them to reach in and manage all the devices. By background, I was a managed services provider for the past 10 years in Washington, D.C. Ran a successful practice, taking from myself to about 15 staff. Did about 1.4 million in revenue when I sold the business, and then had an opportunity to come on, and now I foster collaboration and help solution providers grow their own businesses by working together.
I see. So you've done it yourself then. You've been a real one.
I actually did. I owned a real managed services practice, and now I get to take those ideas, combine it with industry data and the feedback from our partners and the larger community to really help foster what Level Platforms is doing to help partners, and then help partners themselves grow their businesses together.
Because you've been really instrumental in developing the presence of Level Platforms in the UK, haven't you?
Absolutely. I've been a long-standing member of the UK community. I helped establish the HTG group here. I've been a speaker. I've attended user group sessions, and now Level Platforms is continuing our commitment to the UK. I've had customers here since 2004 that wanted to be much more active participants in the community here.
Yeah, sure. Because I think there was a time, speaking from my side, as you know, I was involved with the Kaseya piece at that point. I mean, we didn't hear a lot about level platforms, and then Dave Sobel arrived, and that was dealt with. That's really been quite an eye-opener to see you on the ground.
Well, we've been organically had customers here. We're in 34 countries, but we made a real commitment this year, particularly as I came on board, that we wanted to be more active and more visible in the channel community here, and you've seen the results of that. So we're now a continual member of the community, helping solution providers here much more hands-on.
Okay, and what's the overall agenda? Where are you going to take where do you intend to be in 2-3 years' time?
Personally, or
both really. I mean,
so from a product perspective, I mean, we really have a vision of monitoring and managing entire networks, end-to-ends, and the entire solution. So what we see really being a trend is a solution provider being able to manage not only the on-premise piece, but their cloud components, the mobile components, really having a complete see all, manage all as our tagline, but being able to see all, manage all, and then service all of that entire environment. And we think we're uniquely positioned based on the architecture of the product and our investments in mobile and cloud to allow a solution provider really to do things that they can't do with another solution.
Right.
So from a product perspective, that's really where we're going. And for myself, I'm looking to help those solution providers take it to the next level and really helping. One of the things that we've spent a lot of time on is helping solution providers with their initial offering and how they drive more sales. Because we had a lot of conversations here at CompTIA about driving sales. It's a real struggle for solution providers to know how to acquire customers, how to take from prospect through the education process and deliver the value of managed services. So for us, what we've been talking a lot about is the idea of a network audit and using a tool like Level Platforms, because you don't need to install on every single device. You can do a single installation or bring in a laptop and get end-to-end environment data about that, deliver real value to a potential customer, show them what's going on in their network, and then use the solution provider use their managed services offering to drive that value in to take it to the next level.
So, and you're all about helping, assisting them building that managed services offering.
Exactly. One of the things that I not only do, but my entire team, all the partner development managers at Level do, is we're really engaged with solution providers to help them be successful in managed services. I really need, from my perspective, I need our partners to be successful in managed services to drive our own success. It's a mutual benefit.
Okay. So you're here for the long term.
Absolutely. That's we do things carefully and deliberately, and now you've seen we've been here consistently as part of the community since I've come on board. We plan on that being a continual part, and you'll see more from us. More education, more road shows, more involvement in local.
Absolutely. I've certainly seen a lot of you over the last few months, and looking forward to seeing a lot more of you.
Always love it coming over.
Dave, anything else you want to say?
No, it really just from that is I'm available for anything that a solution provider would want to talk about. I'm easy to get in touch with. Just DSOBEL@levelplatforms.com. You can reach out. I'm a resource to the entire community. It's whether you're a partner or not. I love talking about managed services and helping people grow their business.
Super. Dave, thanks for your help.
Thanks,
Cheers.
you.